Introducing our 1.5 to 1.8 ton mini excavator with a reliable Kubota engine. Compact, multifunctional, and perfect for home, farm, and small construction projects. Customizable and ready for fast delivery. Mini excavator 1.5 ton and 1.8 ton with Kubota engine. Description: discover versatile 1.5 ton and 1.8 ton mini excavators with reliable Kubota engines. Perfect for home, farm, and small-scale construction projects. Free shipping and customizable options available. Product details. Engine. Powered by Kubota D722 diesel engine. Reliable, fuel-efficient, and durable for long-term use. Weight classes. Available in 1.5 ton and 1.8 ton configurations for various small-scale tasks. Hydraulic system. Advanced hydraulic system providing smooth digging, lifting, and multifunctional performance. Customization options. Adjustable track widths, bucket attachments, and optional enclosed cabins for comfort and versatility. Applications. Ideal for gardening, landscaping, trenching, small construction projects, and general farm use.